Right, hello YouTube. I've finally got my Rover V8 engine in and working a hell of a lot better now. I think I've figured out well, I didn't figure it out. I went to and had a word with a brilliant chap named Rocky at the 4x4 place at Earlswood in Birmingham, and he helped me out fantastic. I just showed him a picture of this engine, and he told me what might be wrong with these Strongberg carbs, because I was having trouble with the tick over. And it turns out that on the butterfly inside there's a pop-off valve, and apparently after time that wears, the spring wears, and it loosens up and constantly letting air through. So no matter what you try and do, you can't, it just constantly starts to rev and rev. So he suggested taking it all out, taking the spring out and soldering the pop-off valve directly onto the butterfly and closing it off, and then just using the adjusting screws for the butterflies to do the tick over. And God, what a difference. Absolutely fantastic. Runs lovely, everything. Just now and again, especially when it's been on a journey, and then even a short journey, once it's warmed up and you stop for 5 or 10 minutes, when you start off again, it seems to cough and splutter, and occasionally it'll die, and then once it's sorted itself out, it carries on. So I think I'm just going to change the fuel filter, which I haven't done for a while, so I'll change that. I've moved the fuel pump right to the back by the fuel tank, and hopefully that'll be a bit better. So there you go. Right, let me just start it up for you. Try and hold that there. Starts lovely. No problem at all. There's my see if I can get a shot of that. The headers I made for it. 2-inch stainless steel bracket, and then that goes all the way through, and it's a true dual system. It's not, there's no H pipe or X pipe. And then that just goes down to cherry bombs. See if I can get this to be at the right angle for you. Right. There you go. You might be able to actually hear the fuel pump. I'll put it up here. That's try and give you Give you a shot of the Jeep with the there you go then. I'm going to start saving up for the Offenhauser intake and weather carb now, I think, because that'll improve the fuel economy and everything. So anyway, cheers for now. I'll show you the other side of my exhaust. See you later. Thanks for watching.